In this video, we'll help you determine if you're eligible for FBA New Selection, share which perks you'll receive by participating in the program, and teach you how to enroll. FBA provides an easy way for you to reach more customers. With FBA, your items become eligible for Prime shipping. This is a great way to maximize exposure and sales in the Amazon store. If you're new to FBA or have new ASINs to add to your FBA inventory, we recommend you take advantage of the FBA New Selection program. This program makes it easier to list new products and offers free monthly storage, liquidations in the U.S., and return processing for eligible ASINs for a limited time. You're eligible for the FBA New Selection program's other benefits if you have a professional selling account and an Inventory Performance Index or IPI score of 300 or higher. Your IPI score measures how well you manage your FBA inventory. For example, whether or not you keep popular products in stock can impact your score. Search IPI score in the Seller Central search bar to learn more about how to review your IPI score and how it's calculated. If you're enrolled in FBA New Selection but aren't eligible for the program's benefits due to your IPI score, you'll become eligible when your IPI score reaches 300 or higher. We assess this score daily, which means you'll also need to maintain your IPI score to continue receiving the program's benefits. It's important to check your eligibility on or before the date your first new to FBA ASIN is received at a fulfillment center. Otherwise, the ASIN won't qualify for the program's benefits. If you're new to selling in the Amazon store, you might not have received an IPI score yet. You can receive the program's benefits in the meantime. Once you're enrolled, you can use the FBA New Selection program's benefits for an unlimited number of new parent ASINs each year. A parent ASIN refers to the main product and not the variations, or child ASINs assigned to it. For example, if you sell a shirt in different sizes and colors, the shirt represents the parent ASIN. The shirt's variations, such as blue and medium, represent child ASINs. Use the New to FBA product search page to see if any of your parent ASINs are new to FBA. To find this page, search FBA New Selection in the Seller Central search bar. Select the FBA New Selection help page, scroll down to the ASIN Eligibility section, and select Product Search Tool. Let's take a closer look at the FBA New Selection program's benefits. If you're eligible for the program, you'll get free monthly storage in an Amazon fulfillment center for 120 days for eligible products. These 120 days begin when we receive the first unit of a new to FBA parent ASIN. This benefit applies to your first 100 units of each new to FBA standard size parent ASINs and applies to your first 50 units of each new to FBA non-standard size parent ASINs. If you sell a standard size parent ASIN, we'll waive return processing fees for up to 20 units of each of these parent ASINs. To qualify, the fulfillment center must receive the returned items within 180 days of when the first unit was received. Liquidations allow you to recover value from your excess and customer returned inventory while avoiding storage fees. With liquidations, we send your inventory to wholesale liquidators, allowing you to recover an average of 10% of an item's average selling price. With FBA New Selection, we'll cover your U.S. liquidation fees for the first 100 units of each new standard size parent ASIN within 180 days of the first inventory receipt date. We'll also provide free U.S. liquidations for the first 50 units of each non-standard size parent ASIN within 180 days. For more information on how liquidation works, search FBA Liquidations in the Seller Central search bar and review the help page. We'll automatically liquidate eligible parent ASINs if no orders are placed for them within the first 180 days. These 180 days begin when we receive the ASIN at a fulfillment center. Automatic liquidations are intended to help you recover costs when your ASINs aren't selling. You can opt out of automatic liquidations if you'd prefer to let us know when to liquidate your inventory. Enrolled sellers can also take advantage of another program benefit, a monthly average rebate of 10% of your eligible sales. We'll apply this rebate against your FBA fulfillment fees. Sales for new to FBA parent ASIN are eligible for this benefit. The rebate will apply to up to 50 units of eligible non-standard size items. This rebate will apply to 100 units for eligible standard size products for 120 days. These unit limits apply per parent ASIN. If you have a registered brand in Amazon Brand Registry, you will receive a 25% discount on the Vine enrollment fee for eligible selection. This discount applies when 3 to 10 units per parent ASIN are enrolled in Vine. ASINs must be enrolled in Vine for 5 to 60 days of the first inbound to be eligible. Visit the Amazon Vine help page to learn more about the program. Enrollment in the FBA New Selection program is simple. If you're already using FBA, then you'll need to enroll to participate. If you're a new seller, you'll be enrolled automatically if you create your first shipment within 90 days of listing your first buyable ASIN. Whether you choose to enroll or are automatically enrolled, you'll need to agree to certain terms and conditions when you participate. Enter FBA New Selection in the Seller Central search bar and review these terms and conditions on the FBA New Selection help page. You can also enroll directly from this page by selecting Enroll Now. Enrollment is global. In other words, if you're enrolled in one store, we'll automatically apply the program's benefits to each of the other stores where you sell. Reference the FBA New Selection help page for additional guidance on the program and frequently asked questions.